Hello everyone, it's Chrissy from Chrissy's Beautiful Life. Welcome to How to Kill a Kit with Style. We are into the month of October and I am going to do it a little bit differently this month. I'm kind of excited. I'm going to focus completely on Project Life for my How to Kill a Kit with Style. I finally got in some more page protectors. I needed those so I can get going. And I just shared, you would have seen it I posted it this morning, and it's my share of January. I am doing Project Life for 2021 by like a monthly recap. So there's a January, February, March, April, May, June, July, blah, blah, blah. And my point and hope is that doing it in this way, I can document the little stories that I would normally do a whole layout for, and get them down in here instead. So my albums aren't, you know, like 9 albums long for 1 year like 2019 became. That's my plan. So I've got my page protectors. We're good to go there. I have my photos up to July fully done. Now, I do not know how far I'll get. Project Life takes me forever to document, and I don't ever film me documenting it because I like do one card and then I have to move on. For some reason, these small pockets, they take me forever. I don't know why, but they do. So it won't be a film process, but I will definitely share with you each month as I get them done. Like I said, I have some photos. I do have this random Project Life card in here, and my plan and hope, sorry, I just have to grab my good old box here, is to get through this lovely little drawer. So this is part of my student desk, which is my scrap desk. It's what I work at. And I have just this kind of Project Life / Traveler's Notebook just drawer that just has all of this stuff. And so I hope to definitely whittle down some paper here, and any of these maybe small embellishments hopefully I can get used up, just kind of play. So you can see there's a lot of just stuff. Lots of cut aparts and all sorts of things. And I'm showing you the drawer because my hope is that when I come to share with you my Kill a Kit and how much I got done, and I share with you this drawer, it's nice and neat and organized and not so chaotic. That's my plan and what I'm hoping. You will see. Just some random stitching. Yeah, all sorts of just random things in here. Okay, I do have some 3x4 cards, a nice little stack there, so that would be awesome to get some of those used up as well. Just kind of see, I'm going to go through them too, and if there's ones that maybe I'm not perfectly into, I don't think I need, I will destash them and get them to my kids. I am in the process of doing that as well. I also have some Project Life cards that I know are within collections. We'll see what happens there. I'm not really sure how I'm going to get to those. We'll just have to see. But this is my plan. This is what I have to work with. And I'm hoping, my goal is to get at least done to April for October, along with everything else that I'm doing. That's my goal, and wish me luck. Please make sure you check out and see what everyone else is doing for their How to Kill a Kit with Style. There is, I believe, a hop coming up. No, that's November. Don't listen to me. There's not a hop coming up. Not for this. Yeah, that was really random. Okay, everyone, have a great day. I'll see you all soon. Bye.